Good day folks, in this video here I'm going to show you how to add your credit card or your bank account to your PayPal account. Very simple process and we'll get right down to it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and log into your PayPal account, and here on the first page, if yours is the same as mine, there should be a spot in the bottom right hand corner which allows you to link your card or bank. If you've been in here before, this page is a bit different. Maybe you've made some changes or PayPal has changed the layout since I created this video. Then you can also go here on the top where it says wallet and click that. Once this loads, you'll see a section here under bank accounts and credit cards and the ability to link a bank or link a card. Very simple process. To link a bank account, you go ahead and click on it. And then you'll be given a list of banks. Now I'm in Canada, so as you can see all the bank accounts listed here are Canadian bank accounts, but I would assume it's the same for whatever country you're in. You just go ahead and click on the bank that you're with. If your bank is not listed, you can click over here where it says I have a different bank, and all this will do will get you to enter in your checking information. So I have a Canadian check here. I don't know if it's a bit different in the States or whatever country you're in. Excuse me. But all you have to do is find out from your bank what your transit number is, your institution number, your account number, or whatever wording it is for your specific country, and go ahead and enter in that information. Same thing for doing your credit card. All you have to do is just enter in the information I asked you, and I'll show you that now as soon as I get back to that page. Apologize, just take a minute. Back up here to wallet, and in here to link a card, to link a credit card, or apparently a gift card, which I've never used. So to link a card, a credit or debit card, go ahead and click on the card type: Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, your card number, your expiry date, your 3-digit code. In Canada this is just a 3-digit code on the back of the card, and then the address for your credit card. As well, you can use a debit card. I haven't tried it myself. I'm assuming it's going to be similar to like down in the States you have a lot of credit cards that have a lot of debit cards that have a credit card number. This is slowly becoming available in Canada, but you can do that as well. So it'll let you enter in that card number, which will be the same format as a credit card number, usually 16 digits, with an expiry date, and just your address has a match as well. So it'll be exact same as a credit card. The only difference is it comes straight out of your bank account. So that's it folks. That's how you go ahead and add a bank account or credit card to your PayPal account. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below, and I'd love to hear from you. Take care. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you can take a minute to subscribe to this channel, it would help me a lot. I'm actually working full-time throughout the day, and at night I work at Walmart. And every subscriber to this channel is one step closer to being able to quit Walmart and spend more time with my family. So if you can take a second, hit the subscribe button below. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you again in other videos. Have a great day. Just want to make a quick mention that the music in the background is actually metal covers by Leo at Frog Leap Studios. He's an amazing artist on YouTube. He has over 3 million subscribers as of today's date, and it's just awesome. I can't get enough of him. I listen to him every single day, and he's just simply amazing. Go check him out, Frog Leap Studios, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. See ya.